Hi and welcome to this video. Today I have a new productivity tip for you. How to speed up your computer by deleting temporary files or unnecessary files from your storage. So let's start with deleting temporary files. First, we press on Windows or Start button with R to bring the Run. And then in the Run program, we type the following. First, %, then temp, and then %, and then OK. And here we are inside the temporary files. And as you see, it's full with a lot of files. And now let's select them all, Control A, and delete. There are some files that we can't delete because they are maybe actively used by programs in the background, but most of the files are gone now. So this is the first way. The second way, we can just type storage. Then we go to storage setting, or we can just go to the system storage. As you see, it's calculating the files. And here we have temporary files, OneDrive, installed apps, others, videos. And we can go maybe directly to temporary files. And then here under temporary files, you can see I have in my recycle bin around 1 gigabyte, in the downloads 11 gigabytes, and so we can delete what we don't need to make our computer faster. If we go back now, we have also in the others, then again we can see, okay, the installed apps, how much storage are they using. And for example, we have the Photoshop here is taking around 5 gigabytes storage from my computer. But the most important one is the temporary files. You can go there and remove some unnecessary files to make your computer faster and to gain more space on your computer. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.